Welcome to this powerful, short breathwork session. Today, we'll let go of pent-up tension with Fist of Anger, a Kundalini yoga breath that transforms anger into clear, actionable energy. This dynamic Kundalini breath channels built-up frustration into rhythmic, pulsating movements. Why especially for face yoga? When we're angry, we unconsciously tense our forehead, jaw, and neck. The strong inhales and exhales release exactly these chronic microcontractions, improve blood circulation in your facial skin, and activate the parasympathetic nervous system. This creates space for sensitivity. Your facial muscles can then be trained more consciously, your expressions become more relaxed, and your appearance clearer. In short, Fist of Anger sweeps away emotional tension, massages your face from the inside, and lays the foundation for deep, gentle face yoga exercises. Breathe out anger and let radiant calmness return. Let's start gently with a few preparatory breaths. Inhale as if you were sipping through a straw, with your lips slightly pursed. Then exhale completely through your mouth. Stay in the lying position while doing this. Your knees are bent, heels pressed firmly into the floor, drawn slightly toward your hips. Now let's switch up the breathing. Shake your lips into a clear O and breathe only through your open mouth. Wrap your thumbs around your fists and, with each breath, alternately move one arm over your head and back, almost as if you were swimming backwards. Let your breath flow powerfully into your chest. For stability, ground yourself through your heels into the earth and feel how your pelvic floor, your lower abdomen, and your internal organs lift. Stay strong in your breath. You're almost there. Consciously expand your chest. Keep your waist long, feet and legs active. Feel your tailbone and sacrum pressed firmly into the ground, connected to your heels. Keep your neck long and free. Now take a deep breath in through your mouth, stretch both arms over your head, and expand your chest. Turn your palms toward the ceiling, elbows open. Hold your breath out and stretch your chest as you press your palms powerfully upward. Repeat this. Inhale, exhale through the mouth, hold the breath out, expand the chest. Feel how your chest and spine lift powerfully upward. Hold for as long as it feels comfortable for you. When you can't hold it any longer, take a deep breath in, let the breath go, and relax completely.